Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here with our Wall Street winners for August 30th. Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here with our Wall Street winners for August 30th. Well, it was quite a week really. The market did okay. Dow didn't do that great, but the S&P and NASDAQ were quite good. And most importantly, my portfolio did really well. Significantly outperformed the market, so that's pretty sweet. I went too fast. So here you can see that the S&P had a very strong day. Purple predictor is pretty neutral here. We still have this momentum divergence. We had one down day, but we're still making it. We made a higher high, but we didn't make a higher high on the RSI. So still looking for sluggish, choppy, up and down type of price action. And we're going to see the same thing here on the Dow. You can see the Dow didn't make a new high. You can see up here the little red line, selling pressure is a little bit higher than the green. And we also have the momentum. So we're not really going to see strong price action here at all. Now the NASDAQ had been quite strong and Friday was a strong day. And I don't know, we might have made a new high here, close enough. We won't have to worry about it. You can see here, these are small cap stocks, IWMs, and Russell 2000. And what we're seeing is a gigantic trading range here for the last 6 months. So we have to call this neutral for sure. We still have the bullish seasonality. Now here's the thing, the bullish seasonality ends at the end of September. So it can end early. And we have to be alert to that. It can end anytime in September. So we're about to get into September this week, and we have to watch this one very closely. We only have one position for fully paid up members in the utilities, but it's a nice winner so far, and I don't want it to turn into a loser. So far, still again, this purple line is the best seasonality. So choppy, early dip, maybe 2 or 3 day dip, then we go make new highs. This looks like it's working out pretty well. Now, a couple of good things happened in the market over here. The asset allocation got a bunch of money out of the bond market. The RISKDICATOR skyrocketed up here almost to new all-time highs, so that's pretty darn bullish as well. And global shares showed some support, but they're not anywhere near the new all-time highs. Here our yield curve moving slightly up. I mean, that's either sideways or slightly up, but the point is it's not that important right now because it's not doing a lot. So we can ignore it for now, but still net, it's a slight positive. Bonds down early, up late. Really, it's a trading range here. It's a trading range. But here's the but. Let's take a look at the CRB. Rallied pretty sharply, still in kind of a consolidation, but a strong up move. That is a leading indicator of interest rates going up. Here we have gold, barely breaking above the old highs here. That's also a bit saying we're going to see higher interest rates. The blue line, this is 10-year treasuries in Germany. You can see it also popped up a little bit. So, I mean, 3 pops does not a trend make, but nonetheless, we're seeing for the first time in a couple of weeks some upside pressure on interest rates, and you can see they're not going down anymore. So I think we're going to see the bond market. Let's go back up to that chart here. That would mean that bonds would go down, because if interest rates go up, bonds go down. All right, over here, the dollar plunges on Friday, and if the dollar plunges on Friday, I wonder what gold did. Oh yes, it broke to new highs. And if we look at our gold key indicators, they were quite negative. You can see we were going down. Now this indicator is going up. This indicator is going up. Only this one is going down. So we got 2 to 1 on the upside. That's a big change from where we were just a week ago. And then oil, kind of my objective down here, but we're starting to see some good price action here. And Bitcoin remains on a sluggish bull market, just as I told you that it would. Who calls Bitcoin better than me? Huh? Who? Nobody. All right. All right, everybody. Thanks, freebies. Love having you here. So don't forget all of these techniques that are here and in the fully paid up section. You can learn all about the techniques to make these great calls that I make by going to Stock Success School. That course, tremendous course. Just go to sss2021.com, sign up, and start making these calls. You won't need me anymore. You won't have to be watching the Wall Street winners. I know you want to, just to so we can kind of hang together for 10 minutes every week. But the best thing is for you to go to learn how to do it yourself.